Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. The Audi A4 has been replaced by the all-new Audi A5, aligning with Audi's updated naming convention. The A5 will offer a range of combustion engines, including a hot S5 and a TFSI e-plug-in hybrid. Audi's executives highlight the A5's continuation of 30 years of success in the executive car segment, positioning it higher than the A4 with added upper-class features. The A5 adopts a Sportback-style 5-door coupe design, providing a dynamic look with increased usability. Boot capacity decreases slightly from the A4, but the A5 offers more cabin space due to its increased length and wheelbase. The new A5's design is modern and sporty, featuring slim headlights with optional OLED technology, a single-frame honeycomb grille, and various driver assistance sensors. The car's profile includes a long bonnet and a steeply raked windscreen, with real exhaust tips added based on customer feedback. Advanced lighting tech, including customizable OLED segments, enhances the car's distinctiveness. Inside, the A5 includes a curved MMI infotainment display, a virtual cockpit instrument cluster, and a large central touchscreen. Options include a head-up display and a screen for the passenger. The design follows a human-centric approach with high-placed screens for easier interaction. The interior features sustainable materials and ambient lighting. The A5 is the first model on Audi's premium platform combustion, PPC, supporting various petrol and diesel engines, with a plug-in hybrid coming soon. The entry-level engine is a 2.0-liter TFSI with 148 brake horsepower, and higher variants include a 201 brake horsepower motor and a 3.0-liter V6 TFSI in the S5 Quattro. The mild hybrid system adds short bursts of power and allows for electric maneuvering and parking. Audi plans to launch the A5 in November with a starting price around £42,000. Expected trims include Sport, S-Line, and Edition 1, with option packs bundling desirable features. Two PHEV variants will arrive in 2025, offering over 62 miles of electric range. If you enjoyed this review, be sure to like this video, subscribe to our channel for more exciting car reviews.